If you want to change the home screen wallpaper on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, we need to open Settings. Over here in Settings, we're gonna scroll down a little bit and then proceed to Wallpaper and Style. In here, we can tap on the Change Wallpapers option, and then you can search for a wallpaper that you wish to set on your phone. Of course, we have a couple of different options to choose from here, from these options from this list. So let's say I'm gonna choose maybe this one over here. Of course, we can decide if you want to apply it for the lock screen or home screen or both. So since we want to change the home screen wallpaper, I'm gonna uncheck the lock screen. Now in here, we should be able to make some further adjustments. You can, for example, zoom in and zoom out. We can move around as well if you want to make some changes in here. And sometimes at the bottom, we can find additional options like the frame option over here, the color, and so on and so forth. So you should be able to move it around if needed. And once you are done with the adjustment of the wallpaper, tap on Done in the upper right corner. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.